Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. This is a reminder video to tell you today is the last date to apply for SEBI exam, SEBI Legal 2024 exam. If you have not yet filled the form, if you are willing to appear for this exam or your application form is incomplete, then try to wrap it up as soon as possible. And also I want to tell you about our SEBI Legal Phase 1 Quick Revision and Test Series course. So many of you were requesting for test series. I will tell you about the two versions of the course that are there. Today is the last date, so hurry up and fill the form as soon as possible. Your phase 1 exam is on 27 July, so you have now 26 days in hand to prepare for this exam. Less than 1 month is remaining. I hope your preparation is going on well. You can check out our various courses. In phase 1, there are two papers. Paper 1 QREGA, paper 2 is your legal paper. The syllabus is also mentioned in the notification. We have one quick revision course which can help you in phase 1 preparation. I'll show you what all is there in the course. This is the SEBI Grade A Legal Phase 1 Quick Revision course. Here you will find this is a concise version of the course and it is especially for the students who have already prepared and want test series, want mock test, want revision material. You will find phase 1 paper 1 complete over here. You will get study material, videos, test for all the chapters in your phase 1 paper 1. This is quite similar to what we have in our full crash course. So here you will have videos, PDFs, tests of every phase 1 paper 1 topic. But then when you come to your phase 1 paper 2, which is your legal portion, here you have the summary version and the test version of the course. Here you will have legal summary sheets for your quick revision. Section summary of entire act is provided with important provisions and what all you have to remember, revise from the important provisions. You can download from this and you can just go through this for your final revision. And then you have chapter tests, section tests. Chapter test will have test of all the subjects, Indian Contract Act, Specific Relief Act. So every act will have one chapter test, one or two chapter tests for that act for your revision and practice. Then you have section tests which have high level questions. These section tests will help you in the practice of mix of questions. So you can see what all topics are present in a section test and accordingly practice. And then you have full length mock test. So here you have full length mock test for phase 1 paper 1 there will be 15 mock tests. For phase 1 paper 2 also there will be 15 mock tests. You can practice through them, you can check out your preparation, you can have an exam feel and thus you can make the best use of this course. I have mentioned it multiple times, I'm mentioning it again. Try to get in phase 1 paper 1 around 45 marks. Though the minimum is 30, try to get somewhere 40-45 in mock test to be on the safer side. And then in phase 1 paper 2 try to get somewhere 60, because if you're targeting in paper 1 30 marks, then in paper 2 you need to get 50 marks. So somewhere 60-65 in paper 2 will be good enough score for you. So keeping this in mind, you can use this quick revision course just for your revision and test series purpose. Coming to the full version, which is SEBI Grade A Legal Crash Course, this has all the content along with the live classes. So here you have phase 1 paper 1, which is exactly same as quick revision course. You will have all the content and there will be live classes as well. In the quick revision course, you won't get live classes. Then you have phase 1 paper 2, which is legal paper. Here you will have content in the form of videos, PDFs and test also. You will have section test. Then you have the phase 2 preparation material also here for descriptive English and phase 2 paper 2, because this is a crash course for the complete exam. Then you have full length practice test, phase 1 paper 1, phase 1 paper 2, phase 2 paper 1 and phase 2 paper 2. So this is the difference between the two courses. If you are interested in any of the course, you want any form of guidance, preparation material, you can check out the demo of both these courses. The demos are added in the description below. You can look for yourself which course is best useful to you, fulfills your requirements in order to prepare for this exam. And right now we are running a month-end sale of flat 45% off on all our courses, so you can enroll yourself and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.